Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change the user profile picture in Windows 11. Go to control panel, then click on user accounts, then click on again user accounts, click on manage another account, then here click on add. Now click on add a user in PC settings. Now click on accounts, then scroll down, click on your info. Here we have the options to adjust the photo, that is profile picture. Okay, if you want to capture the current image by using camera, you have to click on open camera, otherwise browse files, then upload the file. See, I want to upload this Google Cloud. Assume it, click on choose the picture, choose the, see, now it is changed the profile picture. Click on close, then go back to the user accounts. See here, control panel, user accounts, manage, or just click on user accounts. See, click on manage another user account. See, the user account profile picture has been changed successfully. So in this video we have seen how to change the user profile picture on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same for all Windows operating systems. Okay, for more Windows videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.